Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2024 Subaru Solterra, the all-electric SUV that's ready to redefine your adventures. Let's jump right in. Exterior: the Solterra boasts a bold, rugged exterior that screams adventure. The sharp lines, sculpted fenders, and available two-tone paint scheme immediately command attention. But this isn't just about looks. The Solterra is built for exploring. Standard black roof rails and impressive 8.3 inches of ground clearance ensure you can go where the pavement ends. Interior: step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious, modern cabin that prioritizes comfort and convenience. High-quality materials and thoughtful design create a premium feel. The available panoramic sunroof fills the space with natural light, while the heated and ventilated seats keep you comfortable on any journey. Tech-wise, the Solterra doesn't disappoint. The standard 12.3-inch touchscreen puts everything you need at your fingertips, from navigation and entertainment to climate control and vehicle settings. Wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps you connected on the go. The Solterra packs a punch with its dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering 249 pounds-feet of torque. That translates to thrilling performance and confident handling, both on-road and off. And of course, being a Subaru, safety is paramount. The Solterra comes equipped with the latest Subaru EyeSight registered driver assistance technology, keeping you and your loved ones protected. Range anxiety? Not with the Solterra. With a DC fast charging capability, you can recharge from 10% to 80% in just 35 minutes. Perfect for quick pit stops on long journeys. The standard battery pack offers an estimated range of over 220 miles, giving you the freedom to roam without worry. The Solterra comes in 3 exciting trims: Premium, Limited, and Touring. Each trim level offers different features and amenities to cater to your needs and budget. Starting at $44,995, the Solterra remains competitively priced in the electric SUV segment, making it an attractive option for eco-conscious adventurers. The best way to truly experience the Solterra is to get behind the wheel yourself. Contact your local Subaru dealer today to schedule a test drive and see why this electric SUV might just be your perfect adventure companion. So, what are you waiting for? Electrify your adventures with the 2024 Subaru Solterra. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews and adventures. Until next time, happy driving. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.